Let's get into this garden walk and talk. Show y'all what's going on. See, the okra's finally coming up, looking good. No flowers yet, that's still young. I planted these some seeds. There's two there. The melon's finally coming in. This is my one little lonely bean that came up here. This is a bush bean. Another melon. The turmeric finally coming up, showing itself. Ginger, not so much. Not so much. Taking a lot of damage on my cabbage, so I dusted them with some diatomaceous there. You see some of the peppers is coming in looking good. Serranos, jalapenos. Starting to get a few. Tomatoes is looking pretty decent. Starting to take some damage. But other than all, they're still putting out a good amount of tomatoes. That's sunflower right there. I think it's beautiful. Beautiful. About done harvesting all the blueberries. About. See my Myers lemon, she is still loaded, looking delicious. All of them blue Concord and Niagara grapes is putting on leaves, leafing out, looking great. So that's a good thing. I know if I got something I could replace some with. Pink guava with the one guava, looking good. There's a king looking good, but no figs. But look at who do got figs. That brown turkey. She is plentiful. To get a good crop of figs off of her this year. And Hugo, this beer is black, is finally showing up. Putting off a few figlets. Putting off a few figlets. That's a good thing. None of the rest have yet. They all have double bumps, but no figs yet. Some of these Olympian cuttings is taking off. Anagami, kumquat, always. Miwa, always. Both of them need to be up potted, but they're looking good. And I'm surprised this Olympian ain't put on any figs yet, but hadn't. My little LSU Gold right there in the corner, looking delicious, boy. She is beautiful. Surprised this Cadota ain't neither, because it is getting huge. That's Cialis. Celeste. I don't know why I always say Cialis, but this Celeste needs some more branches taken out, because she is growing out the box. But no, it's Tiger, boy. He got some double bumps. Like he's trying to get ready to push out some figs, but not yet. None yet. And we come over here with the cutes. These beta alphas. Been picking a few off of them. Look. Coming in. The Boston pickling though. They're coming in like crazy. I mean, we've been picking quite a few off of them. You still see quite a few on them. Hoping to get plenty of pickles this year. From these cutes. You can see sweet potatoes is lining out, doing their thing. Corn I planted a couple weeks ago, starting to come up looking nicely. These peppers are rescued. Some of them is putting on peppers. And these is cayenne peppers. This one pretty much lost all its leaves, but it looks like it's coming back. Paid $2 for those 4 little plants. Couldn't. I see plants in need. I try to survive. Try to give them some help, let them survive. Strawberries are starting to put on more strawberries. So St. Thomas got him another, a squirrel or a chipmunk today. New addition ice cream banana. Little bitty thing. Other little Black Michigan cutting that I'm rooting. Looking pretty good. Yeah, that's how things is looking. So, well, I'll show y'all the grapes. Oh, I got y'all. A lot of people want to see the grapes. Cut back that deal again to get ready to make. Well, we made some pickles today. These are Concord, blue Concords. Still looking delicious, boy. See, start taking some damage from them Japanese beetles. Hey, Niagaras. You can see some damage from Japanese beetles, but not as much as it is on the Concord. Yeah, and there's the nanners. Hadn't cut these back. I try to cut all of them back to just 2 leaves. Seems like they grow a lot faster. I use the leaves for super juice and just chop and drop. So that's how these bananas are looking over here. Peaches, you can see I already pruned them back very heavily. Very heavily. Opened up that center, took a lot of growth that's grown in the inside. A lot of broken branches off. Yeah. And that's the melon bed. You can see they starting to come up looking pretty good. Starting to put on some flower. Pretty soon we'll be having some melons coming. We're bringing that pressure this year. Yes, sir, that pressure. But yeah, that's how things are going. Look at that sunflower. Beautiful. Getting big. It's one of them mammoths. That's how things is going down here in Zone 7B, Tennessee. Y'all stay blessed. And remember, everyone's my passion. Odoms.